Morning.
Morning.
A little shaky in the camera right now because we're walking to our boat. We'll get a ticket for our boat, and a boat will take us to Wiggis. And is the port before we go into the cog train up to Mt Rigi. That's where we're going today, Mt Rigi in Switzerland.
Or apparently it's quite cold.
Yes, so luckily I bought a jacket yesterday, I bought a nice boonie, and hopefully it'll be warm enough. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go! On the boat.
Be on the boat.
She thinks she's gangster, but she's clearly like so pale.
Got a little bit of colour this trip.
Mm-hmm. Well, anyway, just waiting to depart now, and the sun is nice and warm, and now I'm getting hot.
It's nice.
Nice. And I think the mountain we're going to is not there.
That's the thing. Second class is only downstairs.
Oh.
So if you'd like to stay here, you have to buy the upgrade for the first class.
Right. Okay. Guess we'll go downstairs.
Yes, okay. Thank you.
So we got kicked out of first class.
Apparently there's different classes on this boat and we were in the wrong class.
Yeah, so if it was at one classon or classy, it means class, first class. I just wanted to sit at the top of a pretty view.
You just thought it was level 1.
Yeah. Anyway, down here in second class now. Same view, really. Yeah, that boat ride was bloody beautiful,
It so was.
wasn't it? Next mode of transport, the aerial gondola. Yeah.
Okay.
made it to the top of Mt Rigi.
Without too much effort.
Yeah, but it's so confusing. Like, there's no proper signage of what you're meant to get onto, where you're meant to go. Anyway. Beautiful. It's still covered in snow, the mountains over there.
Gorgeous.
So what now?
We walk. We take
just walk.
photos.
Take photos.
Yeah.
Maybe sneak the drone.
Hello. Is it beautiful?
It is beautiful. Even more beautiful is I got a message I contacted the mountain. That sounds like I talk to stones and stuff. I contacted the mountain last night and they got back to me today saying that I can fly my drone here. So happy days. Let's fly. Flew the drone. Very happy. Great shots.
Made your day.
It did. So now we need to get some hot chocolate at the top of the mountain.
What is chocolate?
Just a generic accent. I don't even know what it's meant to be.
No.
Yeah, hot chocolate and still chill.
Yeah.
Yep.
All the chills.
All the chills.
This is the life of a vlogger's wife. Sitting patiently waiting while he plays with his toys.